Hey there! Meet Sarah, a girl who absolutely loves winter, but knows it takes a little prep to make the season perfect. Today, let's join her as she gets everything ready for the cold days ahead. Maybe you'll pick up some ideas along the way. First stop, Sarah's closet. She takes down her light dresses, thin shirts, and shorts. Definitely not good for chilly weather. Instead, she brings out her warm sweaters, cozy scarves, and fuzzy socks. She smiles, feeling excited about layering up. Don't you just love the feeling of a warm sweater on a cold day? And of course, Sarah has to try a few on just to make sure everything still fits. And maybe just because it's fun. Next, it's time to make her home cozy. Sarah knows winter can bring in a lot of cold air. She checks her windows and doors, adding a few draft stoppers to keep the heat inside. She even places some thick rugs on the floor to make it feel warmer. Sarah lights a few candles for extra warmth and even arranges some warm-colored pillows and blankets. Now, her home is officially winter-ready. Winter calls for extra essentials. Sarah heads to the store and makes sure she has everything she needs. Cozy socks, hand warmers, and her favorite winter teas and hot chocolate mix. She even picks up some winter spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, perfect for warm, delicious drinks. Now that her home and wardrobe are ready, Sarah starts thinking about all the fun winter activities she can enjoy. Skating, making snow angels, baking cookies. She loves every bit of winter. Of course, winter isn't complete without warm, comforting food. Sarah decides to learn a few new recipes, soups, stews, and her favorite, hot cocoa with marshmallows. With a little practice, Sarah is confident her cooking skills will keep her full and warm all winter long. With everything ready, Sarah can finally sit back, relax, and enjoy the season. She feels cozy and happy, watching the first snowflakes fall from her window. And that's how Sarah prepares for winter, step by step. What about you? Do you have any favorite winter traditions? Let us know in the comments below.